Welcome back. We're going to take a quick look at today's top 30. Actually, it's number 20 to number 30. We'll be covering Chainlink, Cosmos Hub, Ethereum Classic, the Open Network, Monero, Stellar, and Bitcoin Cash, and Quant. Let's get straight into it. Link against BTC. Ooh, we're already out of the falling wedge, falling channel. But we are not really, we didn't really break the resistance line convincingly. We didn't break the skinny pink line convincingly, right? Even if we did break, if you were to look back into history, we broke it and we got slapped down, right? Broke it, got slapped. Pa! So could this be another slapping moment for Chainlink against BTC? We are not too sure. We count 3 waves down. 1, 2, 3. This could be a 4 and a 5, right? It could also be a 4 and a 5, not taking out the lows, and we just continue higher, right? So which means that this could be the start of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 towards the upside. The thing is, we are not too sure, and Bitcoin isn't particularly bullish yet, so we'd be very, very careful about calling bullish reversals for Link BTC. Link USDT, yeah, this looks to me like a consolidation, right? More likely a continuation towards the downside. Right, normally, it looks like a potential 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we see the two targets towards the downside, $4 and sub 350. So yeah, I would not be making any purchases for Chainlink yet. I still think that there's still more downside, and so I would preach caution about rushing into a trade for Chainlink at the moment, right? I mean, of course, things could just start breaking, right? But we need this confirmation first for us to consider Chainlink's bottom to be in. So we're not too sure about things, so I'd be very, very careful about rushing into a trade too soon for Chainlink. Atom BTC. Here we are. Yeah, Atom has been a zigzag. Yeah, that could be the next move coming on. So yeah, if we were to zig down, yeah, 30-40% is still not really good. I mean, of course, we could just rise out from here, but yeah, I don't really see it. So things are very difficult. We're still not really sure of things, right? Could this be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or could we be coming back all the way back down, right? This whole thing could be a this could be 3 waves down. Excuse me, and then this could bring us to sub $5. Is this what's going to happen for Atom USDT? We're not too sure. We are not too sure, right? This could be 1, 2, 3. It could be 3 waves, 4, 5. Yeah, then this could be a wave 3, right? Whole thing could be a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Best bullish case for Atom if we get that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, we could be doing something like this. But again, we're still not too sure, so we're not going to be rushing into anything, right? Even if we come back down for, let's say, for example, if this is a wave 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If this was a wave 5, there is also a danger that we could form mountain ranges, right? And we could still head lower. You see that? We're still not too sure of things, so be careful. Be very, very careful about rushing into a trade for Atom. Ethereum Classic against BTC. Yeah, this doesn't really look good. Looks like mountain ranges, doesn't it? Mountain 1, Mountain 2, Mountain 3, Mountain 4, Mountain, boom! We slam down under the skinny pink line, right? And this will be, yeah, what's been happening for Ethereum Classic for some time, right? Every time we go back up, we got slapped down. Up, we got slapped down under the skinny pink line, right? So up, we could be getting slapped down again. But this could be good if we don't take out the lows over here. This could be a wave C in the making, right? A, B, C, D, E. Boom! We break higher for Ethereum Classic against BTC. Right. But yeah, we're still not really sure. So if anything, I would be leaning towards the downside, but I don't really have any targets for Ethereum Classic BTC, so I'd be very, very careful about rushing into anything, right? If you look previously over here, looks at mountain ranges here, right? Mountain. We got we fell lower, right? Mountain. Yeah, we could be falling lower as well. It's just that this is a bigger mountain compared to this mountain, right? See the size of things, yeah. So this could be a very small fall, and this whole thing could be a wave C. We would like that if it happened. Ethereum Classic against USDT. Yeah, doesn't really look good. Yes, we are falling. Yes, we are hoping for this to be A, B, C, D, E, and then we squeeze higher, right? We break out towards the upside. Best case scenario, best bullish case, but yeah, again, we're not too sure how much lower things are going to go. We're expecting this to be a curve back up. So the question we have is this the low? Is this the low? We can't answer that. And we are going very close to the low. We could be taking it out, and then we could still be coming back up, and then this could be an inverse head and shoulders in the making. Aha! Still bullish, right? Yeah, we could be heading up for Ethereum Classic against USDT. We could do something like that, but yeah, we're still not too sure, so we're not going to be rushing to anything for Ethereum Classic. The open network, TON BTC. We look at it on CoinEx, TON BTC, it's not really that clear. Yeah, there's some selling pressure here, but we're not exactly collapsing, so we could still go a little bit higher, but I suspect that this could be a move downwards for TON BTC. TON USDT, again on CoinEx, we actually have a target over here, $3. One of the outliers that is still maintaining its bullish bias towards the upside. We're at 183. Can we? Yes? Not too sure. Just by looking at the wicks, I suspect this is a very low liquidity coin, which means that if things go wrong and you want to get out of your position, you might have some difficulties doing so at the price which you intend to get out from, whether if it is exiting when you're wrong or whether if it is when you are right. So I wouldn't be making any trades on TON, not at the moment. Eventually maybe, but yeah, not at the moment. Monero against BTC. Yeah, Monero has been slowly crawling its way up. It's been relatively strong against BTC. We are already above the skinny pink line, so the bullish bias is already on for Monero against BTC. It's just that the skinny pink line is catching up to the price, right? And if things start falling for Monero, then it's not going to be good. So we're not too sure what the whales of Monero have in plan, but this is not what I would consider as a high quality tradable chart pattern. Yes, we still have upside targets for Monero against BTC, but we are not too sure of things, so we're staying safe. Monero against USDT. Yeah, it's too random for me. it's like, yes, we are aware that we are in a falling channel, falling wedge, but the question we have is how much lower are we going to go? Is this the low? Is the low already in, right? Could we still drop a little bit lower, take out the lows over here, maybe take out the lows over here as well, right? And then we see big buying pressure pushing the price higher towards the resistance line, and then we hover around the resistance line, we break it. Best bullish case for Monero. So yeah, but we're still not really sure though, so we can't be forcing anything for Monero, not at this point of time. Eventually, hopefully, but yeah, not now. Stellar Lumens against BTC. Yeah, looks like a head and shoulders, right? Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Pew. We could be falling lower for Stellar Lumens against BTC. So things are just not really looking that perky for Stellar Lumens at the moment. You may argue that we're going sideways, but this is not really good, right? And we have yet to recover back up, right? We rallied, but it's so weak. And now we are turning back down, right? It should have just continued higher, like what Monero is doing, but Stellar is just, it's just lackluster. Stellar Lumens against USDT. Yeah, we still have a target over here. 7 cents, fresh out of the target. Fresh out of the oven for you. 7 cents, we're at 8.5 cents. So more downside to be expected for Stellar Lumens against USDT. We might even take out the lows over here and all the lows over here, which is about, yeah, sub 6 cents. Potentially we could be dropping to sub 6 cents. But I feel like this is already 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Even if we hit 7 cents or whatever, sub 6 cents, I'm hoping that we will see some sort of a strong rally come on for Stellar Lumens against USDT. We're still not really sure, so yeah, I don't think this is the bottom. So I think more downside is to be expected for Stellar Lumens. Moving on would be Bitcoin Cash, BCH, BTC, Binance, Bitcoin Cash against BTC. Yeah, we've always been attempting to break above the skinny pink line, right? Break, got slap, break, got slap at the top, right? Could we break? Could we get slapped again? Pah! And then we get pulled all the way back down. We're not too sure though. We're not too sure. BCH against USD. We look at it on Coinbase. So for Bitcoin Cash, right? A, B, C, D, E. But the condition is that we don't take out the lows over here. If Bitcoin continues falling from 16K to 15K to 14K to 13K, then very likely you're going to see Bitcoin Cash take out the lows over here at $72. If we take out the lows over here, this is no longer an ABCDE. So yeah, that's why we are being very, very cautious about rushing into anything. We're hoping that the lows over here would hold though, and after that we could break out from here, right? Yeah, but I just don't see it yet. So I'll be very, very careful. Very, very careful. The potential is there, but you gotta be careful. Quant BTC. Yeah, we're above the skinny incline. We're expecting the bullishness to continue. Maybe we go sideways for a little bit before turning back up for Quant BTC. Best case scenario. Anything? Yeah, no, it's not tradable. Not against BTC. Quant against USDT. Yeah, this doesn't look good, right? We already noticed this last week. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Right, we could be heading lower. Maybe sub. Yeah, the next area that we got support is about $66. Right now at 120, this will be a 50% fall, right? However, we also have the 0.618 level, which we could be heading towards to before heading back up, right? This whole thing could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that. So will we get that? We're not too sure. Yeah, we're not really sure though. So yeah, we're not going to be rushing into anything for Quant. We're already under the skinny pink line. Not exactly under, but we've been hovering around it. So yeah, the case is for Quant to continue lower. So be careful about rushing to a trade too soon, right? Towards the long side. I think that there could still be more downside for Quant. So be careful, stay safe, and don't do anything I wouldn't do. All right, see you in the next top 10 coins review. See you in the next one. See you. Ta-ta.